Iron and immunity in cancer, from molecular mechanisms to clinical applications. Iron is essential for numerous biological functions, including oxygen transport, energy production, and immune defense. In cancer patients, however, iron deficiency and iron overload can adversely affect disease progression and treatment outcomes. Iron deficiency impairs immune responses and can reduce the effectiveness of immunotherapies such as immune checkpoint inhibitors, ICIs. Conversely, excess iron promotes tumor growth, oxidative stress, and immune evasion, creating a microenvironment that reduces treatment efficacy. This review highlights the dual role of iron metabolism in cancer, examining how altered iron levels affect immune cell function, tumor progression, and therapeutic responsiveness. Emerging preclinical and clinical data suggest that personalized iron modulation may improve outcomes through supplementation in deficient patients or iron-reducing strategies in cases of overload. Moreover, combining iron-targeted approaches with immunotherapy could enhance anti-tumor efficacy by synergistically restoring immune competence and targeting tumor vulnerabilities. These findings support the integration of iron assessment and individualized management into routine oncology practice. Further clinical studies are needed to optimize iron-based interventions and to explore their synergy with existing cancer therapies, particularly immunotherapy. Iron is an essential metal that supports life in all forms, from simple bacteria to humans. It plays a key role in many important processes in the body, such as carrying oxygen in the blood, producing energy, and repairing DNA. However, while iron is vital for good health, too much or too little of it can be harmful, especially in the context of cancer. Cancer cells often change how they handle iron, collecting more of it to help them grow and spread. They do this by increasing the amount of free iron inside them and altering proteins that control iron levels. This helps the cancer survive, grow faster, and become more aggressive. Interestingly, even though tumors build up iron, many cancer patients suffer from iron deficiency and anemia, often due to blood loss, poor nutrition, or inflammation caused by the cancer itself. This creates a tricky situation. Tumors are overloaded with iron, but the rest of the body may be running low. Iron deficiency weakens the immune system and makes patients feel tired and less able to tolerate treatments like chemotherapy and radiotherapy. It may also reduce the effectiveness of newer therapies, such as immunotherapy, which relies on a strong immune system to fight cancer. On the other hand, too much iron, from frequent blood transfusions or other causes, can also be dangerous. It can produce harmful molecules that damage cells, increase cancer risk, and even affect how the body processes cancer drugs. This review explores how iron affects both cancer and the immune system. It highlights the need to carefully manage iron levels in cancer patients, not just to avoid harm, but to improve treatment success. Balancing iron in the body could be a key part of more effective and personalized cancer care. Iron plays a complicated but crucial role in cancer. Many cancer patients suffer from iron deficiency, which can cause anemia, fatigue, and a weaker immune system. This can make it harder for them to tolerate treatments like chemotherapy and may reduce the effectiveness of newer therapies such as immunotherapy and CAR T-cell therapy. On the other hand, too much iron, called iron overload, can actually help cancer grow. It can damage healthy cells, weaken the body's natural defenses, and make some treatments less effective. Because both low and high iron levels can negatively affect cancer patients, managing iron carefully is very important. Giving iron to patients who need it can help improve treatment response, but it must be done cautiously to avoid causing harm. Future research should focus on finding better ways to measure iron levels, understanding how iron affects the immune system, and creating clear guidelines to manage iron during cancer treatment. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.